What is up, everybody? It is Lawrence again, and I just got back from the infamous Kith in Brooklyn, where I got my first raffle win of the year. It was for the SB Dunk Low in the Kentucky colorway. Really excited to bring you my first win. Also, I literally braved the coronavirus to get you this first look at an unboxing, so definitely hit the like button and or give me a subscribe for basically putting my health on the line. So without further ado, let's head into the unboxing. I've not looked at these yet. I've only pulled them out of the Kith bag probably a minute ago. This is the Nike SB box. There's nothing special about it. Before we unbox it, a little more history about the Nike SB Dunk Kentucky. It was released in 1985, which is also the same year as my birth year, and it was part of the Be True to Your School pack. That included 12 schools as part of them. I don't know what all 12 schools are, but definitely Kentucky, which is the colorway here, as well as the orange color for Syracuse, released today on March 14th. Without further ado, let's get into it. So, flipping it up, this is a flip top box. You get not anything special on the tissue paper, so it's all white here. And this is the SB Dunk Low, done in the Kentucky colorway. Before we go on, I'm gonna go open up the second shoe as well. Actually, before the second shoe, this is the other lace that comes with it. So it comes also in a white lace, and you also have a blue lace there. The only other thing in this box is the other shoe. So that's over here. First look at this. There's already a scuff mark right there. I'm not sure if you can see that. I feel like, man, this leather is actually already scuffed up on both panels on this shoe. I'm actually kind of depressed about that. Maybe it'll come off if I wipe it off with a wet cloth. But for now, this is the Nike SB Dunk in the Kentucky colorway. So you can see that's predominantly done in this varsity blue and has white panels all throughout. The leather quality on first look, I would say, is decent. Yeah, I would definitely put it on the mid-tier of kind of Jordan 1 releases. Nothing substantial, but definitely nothing bad. I mean, they're far worse leather that I've seen Nike use, especially kind of on GR pairs. This is like a shitty GR pair. I'm sorry, guys. Like I've not been like, I don't usually care too much about build quality, just because, like, I don't know, like I don't expect much out of Nike. But I feel like it's either these guys have been worn or I don't know, man. Really disappointing. In terms of construction, this is probably one of the worst shoes I've seen in a really long time. There are threads everywhere. I'm sure you can see that over there. There's threads all throughout that are sticking in. Over here along one of these panels, you can actually see the blue kind of sticking out. I'm hoping I can clean some of this and make it look a little better. But overall, the etching on the panels themselves, the leather just was not cut very well. And honestly, the colors don't pop out the same way that they did online or even on this camera. I'm looking at this in person. I'm looking at the screen that I have in front of me, and it looks a lot better on screen. So I'm actually, I don't know. I'm really surprised. One of the things about this shoe is that it does have a thinner tongue, and I believe that's how the 85s were released, so this is a remastered release, and I'm glad about that. One of the things I don't love about the SB Dunks is how large that tongue is, and it looks really funky on foot, especially since I actually have a smaller foot. It makes my foot look really bulbous. Anyway, until next time, this is unboxing of the Kentucky SB Dunk Low. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Definitely smash the shit out of that like button, though, as I am trying to get this out as soon as possible. So the more support you give me, the more likely I'm going to get some views. But until next time, this is the Kentucky SB Dunk Low. Peace.